Using a ladder, safety comes first. In this video, we'll cover quick but crucial steps to inspect, use and store your ladder the right way. Before using any ladder, always begin with a thorough inspection. Check for cracks, bent trunks, missing rubber feet or any loose components. Never use a damaged ladder. Always check the ladder safety instructions, including its maximum load capacity before use. Place the ladder on flat, even surface. Make sure it's fully opened and the spreaders are locked into place to prevent collapse. When climbing, always face the ladder and maintain 3 points of contact, 2 hands and 1 foot or 2 feet and 1 hand. Climb slowly and deliberately. Most important, never lean too far to the side. Always keep your body centered between the rails. Overreaching can cause the ladder to tip. Carefully close the ladder by unlocking and folding it safely. Avoid slamming or dropping it to prevent the damage. Store the ladder in a dry, clean area away from heavy traffic or potential hazard. Proper storage extends the life of your equipment and ensures it's safe for the next use. Remember, inspect, place, climb, don't lean, and store properly. Stay safe, every step counts.